The Jlab Epic Air ANC. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the Epic Air ANC by Jlab Audio. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside the packaging, you get a quick start guide and an assortment of ear tips. They also include a pair of foam tips. The Epic Air ANC features 12 hours of listening time, 48 hours with the case. It has quick charge, so 15 minutes will give you 1 hour, and it takes 3 hours to fully charge. Bluetooth 5.0, touch controls, USB for charging, and wireless. ANC, ambient aware, EQ, and an app, and it's IP55 water resistant. The case has a familiar look if you've seen the Air Executives. They've built on that design. The case has a leather top and bottom and a plastic shell. On the front, you have the branding. And you also have the charge status LEDs. On the bottom of the case, you have a built-in USB charging cable. The cable just snaps into place for easy storage, and you won't have to worry about carrying a cable. Accessing the earbuds is a matter of lifting the flap, which uses magnets to lock into place. The earbuds are easy to grip and uses magnets as well. Inside the case has a matte finish. As mentioned, this has wireless charging, and here it is on the charger. You can see it activate. There is also a wireless logo on the back of the case. The earbuds have a short stem design, matte finish all around, and on the outer face you have the Jlab logo in gold along with the surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds feature microphones, in-ear sensor, interchangeable ear tips, charging contacts, touch control, and LED. Here they are side by side. Navigating playback and call controls is just a few taps to get the desired function. Cycling through ANC and the ambient feature is a long hold, and there is a voice prompt to indicate what setting you're on. Same goes for the EQ. Triple tap and listen for the voice prompts. These have app integration, and you can download the Jlab Air ANC app. The app allows you to toggle the features along with updates. The case comes in at 2.1 by 1.3 by 2.1 inches. It weighs in at 57 grams, and the earbuds come in at roughly 13 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
What did you expect now? That you feel better? The town knows simple lies wouldn't cut you down. What do you regret now? Thinking you were
for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Jlab Epic Air ANC microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. The microphone worked well. It was loud and clear and callers had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Epic Air ANC. The earbuds seated well in my ears and it created a good seal. One thing to note is it's important to take time to find the correct ear tips, or else the overall sounds and features will not be heard correctly. Touch controls are a plus since they don't add pressure when navigating. Build and quality is solid. I like the leather touch on the case, and the earbuds feel durable and don't really protrude out as much when seated in your ears. The touch controls were not overly sensitive and responded well when controlling. Battery life is good, coming in at 12 hours and 48 total with the case. Having the ANC feature on will reduce it a few hours. I like the fact that it has wireless charging and app integration. The ANC feature I would say is in line with many of the ANC earbuds in this price range. Nothing exceptional, but it does block out a good amount of the surrounding noises. The ambient feature worked as advertised when enabled. The microphone picked up the surrounding noises loud and clear. Now when it comes to sound, the bass comes in tight, punchy, and accurate. It's not overwhelming bass, but definitely not lacking at all. Mids and highs also come in clean and clear, and there's good separation. And you may have picked up some of the details in the sound samples. You also have the option to choose between the 3 EQ presets that Jlab has, from balance, signature, and bass, and the app allows you to modify it even more. Overall, I found these to be a good pair, packed with features with good sounds and a microphone. It does come in a crowded space with many earbuds now having ANC, so it will come down to your budget and style that you're looking for. So that is my review of the Jlab Epic Air ANC True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.